Yeah, first of all, congratulations to all those who qualify Tier 1 exam. So you are in top 220,000 candidate among all the candidates who applied for the IB Tier 1 exam all over India. Okay. So first you need to celebrate this because this is a big achievement for you. Because in very short time, okay, if you remember that we just get 10 days before we know that our exam is there on 18 March, right? So in such situation, if you do that, then definitely it is very good. Okay, celebrate it. It's time to celebrate. But definitely it is very important now that to prepare and to be ready for second stage, that you are tier 1. Okay, tier 2 exam, very important. So in this video we will discuss everything about IBSCIO tier 2, that what is the exam pattern, okay, how you should prepare for this, what can we expect about exam date, okay, about pattern, everything we will discuss. Okay. Now, if you recall, then you know the procedure of IB, whole IB process, you know, right? Till now, you know everything. So now here is the suspense that we don't know our tier 1 marks. Okay, means those candidates who have higher marks, they don't know they have higher marks. Okay, so that's why this is the specialty of IB recruitment. Okay, in each of this stage, you have to perform best. Okay, best, because to go to the tier 3, that is your interview, combined marks they will consider now, that is your tier 1 and tier 2. Okay, so combined marks they will consider, and then only based on that total they will decide whether you are eligible for tier 3, that is your interview, or not. All the things we will already discuss in the process video. Those who are new, you can check in the IB playlist. Okay, already I explained all the process. So yes, for tier 3 now, okay, we don't know about our marks of tier 1. So obviously we have to give 100% in tier 2. Okay, no matter what. There is no option. So for that, preparation strategy video is there for you. Okay. Now one by one, I will just tell you that what are the things which are important for you. Okay, so first we will discuss about tier 2 pattern. So what is the tier 2 pattern? Total 50 marks. Okay, total 50 marks, out of which essay is having 30 marks. Essay is having only essay writing. About letters and all these things you will get to know in the either your admit card or in your exam hall. Okay, that how much letter you are using, 250 words you have to use or 300 words you have to use. All those things you will get to know there. But second is your comprehension, English comprehension. Okay, you know passages, and then precise writing is there, and this is combinedly your 20 marks. Okay, total 50 marks are there, and total time is just 1 hour, and this is your offline paper. So writing you have to practice now. Okay, writing you have to practice because only 60 minutes to write essays. We don't know how much essays are there. Either they will ask you 2 essays also, okay, or 1 essay also, we don't know. So speed, okay, writing speed is very important parameter for you now. First thing, I hope side by side you are everything you will note down. Okay, so writing speed is very important for you. You have to improve this writing since from tomorrow only. Okay, from tomorrow, there is no like just for now relax the day. Okay, just result came out 1 hour ago, so you can relax. But from tomorrow, okay, your tier 2 journey will start till your selection in IB. Okay, you have to fight very hard in each of these stages. This is the specialty of IB, and that's why this job is very that reputed. Okay, so we know now the pattern of this your comprehension, that is your descriptive paper. Okay, the pattern we know now. Okay, now how to prepare. Okay, how to start the preparation. So already if you go in the playlist section, okay, in the playlist section you will get one playlist, that is descriptive paper preparation. Descriptive paper preparation playlist is there. Okay, in that already essay and precise writing videos are already there. Okay, essay and precise writing videos are already there. So total we have 12 videos till now. Okay, 12 videos are there. My RAM deal very well. Now how you are doing that? Okay, see, in this videos, those topics which are very important for you. Okay, hot trending topic, you can say, all those topics are there. Okay, but you don't need to just watch that video and grab the content. Obviously topic is there, content ma'am explain all the things, okay, regarding the content, what is the topic. But what is your job, what you have to do, you will first get that topic. Okay, then write all the things related to that topic, whatever you know. Okay, but in your own handwriting you should write that, and then start the video and just watch what is the content there. Okay, don't just blindly take the topic, watch the video, is not very useful for you. Okay, first get the topic name, then write your essay on that. Okay, and then observe the content, and from that just you can make your notes. How you can make your notes? This is my topic. Okay, suppose XYZ is my topic, and few points are there, very important points are there, which already ma'am explained there in the video, that you have to note down, and like this you will watch all the 12 videos for essay writing. Okay, this is the style you will use to watch all the videos of essay writing, and definitely this video will help you to improvise your essay. Condition is that you will follow all the things that I told you. Okay, there is a condition obviously. Okay, then your English comprehension, obviously it is your normal comprehension, so I don't think there is a, because when you learn English already, I hope your comprehension part is over now. Okay, I hope your comprehension part is over now, so there is no issue. Second is your precise writing. In the similar fashion you will do the things, that is 4 videos are there for precise writing. Okay, get the topic, write in your own language for understand what is precise, how to write precise. Okay, what are things are there in precise. All the video in the introduction video, first video is introduction. So in that video ma'am already told you that what is essay writing, what are the important tips, tricks, all the things in the introduction video she discussed already. Okay, and then our main video started. So this playlist is for you. Okay, just we finish the syllabus after IB tier 1 exam. I hope many students also watch that playlist. Okay, we quickly start about the preparation of tier 2, and those now who are starting, okay, you have to start quickly, because about exam date you already have the flavor in the tier 1 that it can be anyone, it may be anyone. Okay, so hardly we can assume that you have 15 to 20 days. So consider this target. Okay, and based on that do preparation and complete your syllabus in 15 to 20 days, because we don't know, tomorrow also they will notify us that your exam is in next week. Okay, it is happen about IB, so that's why minimum 15 days I will consider, and your target date will be 15 days. Okay, so we can say that in April only you have your exam, that is for sure. Okay, in April, if you are lucky, then for administrative reason, if they extend, then definitely it is good, then it is in May. Okay, but I don't think it will go to May. In April only we will get the exam, so prepare accordingly now. Okay, I hope in tier 1 you got the lesson, big lesson, so don't repeat the mistake. Okay, essay, precise and comprehension same source from your English book you can use for comprehension, no issue in that, but this is very important for you because this is 30 marks. Okay, and I guess one precise will be there and one comprehension will be there, or 2 comprehensions I can say. Okay, 2 comprehension and 2 essay. So perfect paper is your 2, 1 and 2 questions, like that. So total 5 questions I can say in 60 minutes you have to solve. Okay, expected pattern. So this is all about your IB tier 2 exam. Join our WhatsApp group, dedicated group, our Telegram group, that is your IB SCIO E. Okay, and Apna Government Job group, definitely this is the main group where you will get all the updates. Okay, if you have any query, any doubt, anything, then just you can comment down below in the video. Okay, also if you want to know about essay writing, precise writing, then definitely Myra ma'am is there, I will tell her, okay, to guide you regarding that. So don't worry about that at all, just give your best. Okay, prepare from tomorrow, start from tomorrow, because each and every stage is important for your IB till you get your joining letter in your hand. Okay, first of all, again congratulations, and again all the best for tier 2. Okay, whatever they have needed I will there for you, don't worry, to motivate, and all the updates I will give. Okay, so don't worry about update and all these things, just focus on your preparation. Okay, all the best.